hello as well. We're going to the Harry Potter studio.
And we're Idris and Sabu's cousins. Yeah. And
You'll be getting on the next bus, which is on its way.
Okay.
My name is Ari and Hula.
I'm Orin and I like Labu. I'm Alia and I like
Labubu as well.
Yeah, and Hermione. And I got mini Labubu. And I got this Labubu.
I'm Sarita. I also like
Let me see the Hannah. You are showing the wrong one. The other one.
Yeah.
Hi guys. So you might be wondering.
We are at Cambridge Station, and over there is the class 720 going to the London Liverpool Street, and class 700 set to 0 off to King's Cross for the 9:53. By the way, the Greater Anglia is on the 10:03 fast service.
Hall is the best. The hall, yeah, the hall. It's town centre as well. When you come off the bus, if you go down, you rush back, you walk straight through there, that'll get you car and walk towards the bottom. And there's amazing productions. There's loads there. There's a fusion place as well. Right, everybody, welcome.
Hold my holding. Come on. That's your time is up. Time is up.
Hey, Shabashi. You're not leaving close this. I would love this section. Right? Everybody have a super day. Bismillah.
And we are on the Harry Potter bus. And the next song is The Studio. Harry Potter World.
Here we come.
Hi.
Sit down. Adigan, sit down.
We're at the studio again. Hey.
Yeah. Come on.
Dumbledore. This is the sixth one.
Yeah. Come on. Are you? We need to get inside. We need to. Yeah.
Wonderful. How many do I have? Everyone?
Go.
What I'm going to get you guys to do is just make sure you're touching a piece of the door. So make sure your hands touching a piece of the door, and then turn around and look at your families wherever they are.
Too late
and take
now.
some embarrassing photos of you before we do anything else. Wonderful. And with the assistance of my birthday helpers, I'm going to welcome you all with the same words Harry heard when for the 10 years of filming production. And if that doesn't give you an idea of how massive the Great Wall is, we can fit 22 double-decker buses inside this room. So please make sure not to stop in or in front of the doorways to take photos. Come all the way in. Make sure that everybody behind you can spend as much time in this set as possible. Now, as you carry on making your way through, do make sure you give the floor a good stamp underneath your feet, because you're walking across real York flagstone. It's the same kind of stone that you find lining the floors and hallways of hundreds of medieval castles and cathedrals up and down the country. It was deemed the only thing strong enough to withstand all of the wear and tear that the floor in this Great Hall would endure over the 10 years of film production, perhaps this set more than any other. And if you take a look around, you might notice that we're also decorated, dressed and ready for Halloween feast with Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. Up above your heads, our special effects team have installed around 200 pumpkins that were made by our prop making team. Every single one of these pumpkins has been individually designed, made and decorated, so no two look exactly the same. Another good example of some work by our fabulous prop making team, whose head of department is a man named Pierre Bohanna, is actually over on the right hand side house table. You might have noticed there's a replication of the Hogwarts Halloween feast from the first film as well. Now, most of the food we sometimes can use metal as well. It's usually only the items on the students' plates that are actually real.
choreographer for Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix, created the art known as wand combat. Drawing inspiration from fencing and dance, wand combat had a unique physicality that defined it. The Death Eater's costumes seen here were designed by Jenny Timmy and crafted by our talented costume team. These costumes gave the Death Eaters their fearsome feel and reputation, which carried right through from their first appearance. We invite you to step forward and take a photo with our Death Eaters. David Yates, director of Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix, wanted to show the difference between how very advanced wizards do spells and how younger beginner wizards do. He and Paul Harris agreed that a wizard couldn't simply buy.
You can show Italia? Talk about it. Where are we?
So guys, express. We're going here to go to Hogwarts and do that magic stuff. Yeah, we got that. 5972.
No, they can.
Yeah, so we're going to do. We're going here. We go there to get to our witchcraft, and we're going to get a wand.
Let's go and take a picture over there. Let's go. Oh, look at the Slytherin. Yeah.
Hello, Botley.
Shh.
Ready in just a second. Okay, so are you going to shout stand by all together? Okay, go for it.
Stand by.
Very good, very good. Now we're going to have our cameras ready. So everybody, cameras ready. You're going to shout roll cameras. Go.
Roll cameras.
Incredibly loud. I love it. You're a great director. Now I'm going to give you this big button. And on the count of 3, we're going to press this green button. Okay, so here, you hold it right there. On the count of 3, and it's 1, 2, 3. Round of applause for our actor. A round of applause for our director.
I'm so scared.
I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit more about
It was an amazing day. It was really fun. Yeah. It was really fun. We got everything, literally. We got the Hogwarts Express. Yeah. We got the Death Eaters, the Dementors. Yeah, we saw the Death Eaters. We bought this. We bought a scarf. I got a wand. I even got a train ticket. I even got the train ticket.
I got this Christmas as well. Harry Potter.
Go, Scott!
Okay.
I got this one. So amazing, so amazing, so amazing. Oh, what are you doing?
That is a class 350 going north from platform 8, and it's an 8-coach train service. Milton Keynes and Northampton. Platform 2 with the 2143 way back to Northern service to Cape Town. Boarding up Baldock, Ashwell and Morley, Royston and Cambridge. This train is full of 8 coaches.